welcome to Always Alyssa. Right now I'm outside, feels so good outside by the way, because I'm going to be doing a possibly messy yet very fun art project. Here's everything you're going to need for the project. A canvas, some knives to stir with, a cake decorating or pancake decorating bottle so you can mix something up in it, paint, glue, and cups. You'll also need some water. The first step is to get your cake decorating bottle. I guess let's call it that from now on. Or should I say glue shaking bottle? That's what it's going to be. Anyways, you're going to get your glue. I'm using the Elmer's Glue All. I think it's multi-purpose glue, so it works better for this. You're going to pour the whole 4-ounce bottle inside. And now we're going to add 4 ounces of water. And as soon as the glue bottle's full, I'll have my 4 ounces of water. Now pour the water in here. You're going to put the lid on and shake it very well. And you can kind of see, it's hard to tell, but this is the water from here, and that's the glue. So it's perfect, a 1-to-1 ratio. Now shake it really good. Might take a minute. Okay, it's all shaken up. This is going to be our pouring medium, and now we're going to move on to the next step. Now we're going to need paper or plastic cups. I have 4 of them because I'm doing 4 colors. You can do 2, 3, 4, 5, however many you want pretty much. I'm just going to open the top of these because some of them haven't even been opened yet. The next step is to pour your paint into the cups. You're going to pour about a tablespoon. Now I'm going to pour the next color. This one's super pretty. It's turquoise. I'm doing the 3rd color now. Now I'm on to the 4th color. The next step is we're going to take the pouring medium and we're going to pour in about the same amount of the paint that we added. And we could add a little more or a little less depending on how it mixes. Now mix it up with your knife. This makes the paint a lot easier to pour on the canvas because if you didn't do this, then you probably wouldn't pour it all. You're going to do that same thing to all of your paint colors. Everything looks about perfect. Now that I mixed all my paints up, it's time for the fun part, and I'm going to explain it to you guys how to do it before I actually do it because this is my first time doing it, so it might be a little bit hard. But basically, now that our paints are all ready to pour, we're going to take them one at a time. I'm probably going to start with the darkest color. I'm going to pour it, just all the paint until it's like a circle, and then I'm going to do the next color and the next until it's many layers of circles. And you can even do your colors like a little bit and then the next one and then go back like whatever pattern you want, and you pour it. And you just tilt it, and it'll look really pretty. I'm kind of nervous. I really hope it looks good. I'm like so excited about it. Super nervous. I've never done this before. First, I have to remove all the knives and get all the excess paint off and set them to the side because we might need them later. These colors look so pretty together. I'm glad I picked them. I'm so scared, but I just got to do it. Okay, I think I'm ready. Oh man, I'm just so scared. I can't do it. Okay, here I go. Okay.
So far that looks good.
I love it. And this is why you want to keep it over a tray because it could get messy. Just like it is right now. It's already dripping. Let's see if I have a little bit less glue and I'll just put it throughout. Okay. And your hands are gonna get messy, but don't worry, you can easily wash off acrylic paint. I'm just getting the paint in every little spot. Sometimes blowing can help. Okay, I'm trying to get some more blue in the middle. I'm going to keep twisting it until I get the perfect design. I'm going to add just a little bit more blue. Now I'm just trying to move it around to get all the corners covered in paint. I'm just going to dip some of the edges carefully in this big mess so I can have every part of the canvas covered. Perfect. Just keep twisting and turning your canvas until you get the exact design that you like. trying to get this blue to head down a little bit on the canvas. I'm going to try blowing on it a little bit and see what cool effect it will give it. Ooh, that's pretty. Blowing on it is a pretty cool effect because it lets you see the colors that's underneath. There's a few more blows and I think it'll be done. I think I'm about done with this for today and I'm going to let it dry and show you guys it tomorrow. By the way, look at this beautiful mess. Whoa. Okay, so it's the next day, my painting has dried, and it's time for the reveal. From this side, on the edges, looks kind of ugly, but don't worry, it's better than that. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1! Here's the reveal! I think it turned out pretty good, especially for my first time ever doing acrylic paint pouring. But I do have a suggestion for you guys. If you ever do this and you ever set it somewhere to dry, make sure you don't set it on cardboard or anything. Like, make sure it's somewhere else because some of the cardboard stuck to the canvas. I don't even know where the best place to dry it would be. I'll have to look around my house, but definitely don't do it on cardboard. That is my tip for you. And if I do this again, which I might on my channel, then I'm going to do different colors and probably a different technique, and it's going to be really fun still. So, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!